Right. The idea for this video came about because one of my main things I teach is CompTIA Security Plus and the CYSA Plus classes. And people have been asking me, how did I look at code and know, hey, that's a SQL injection, that is directory traversal, or it's cross-site request forgery, those different type of attacks. Well, there's a website called hacksplaining.com. And you can kind of see there's some other stuff up here across the very top, but we're going to go down to and we're going to look at some of these. Now, we know we get hit with these two here, cross-site scripting, SQL injection on the exam. Occasionally you will see an injection question, cross-site request forgery, directory traversal. These are ones that we see quite often. Now, broken access control, that one shows up in the CYSA Plus. And you can see some of the other stuff, privilege escalation, denial of service attacks, XEE, or XXE, I'm sorry. That's this one, XML, external entities. That one's big time on CYSA Plus, so is XML bombs. Different things that you can look at here, okay? So the one I'm just going to kind of pick up, there's buffer overflows, another good one. Server-side request forgery, we really haven't seen too much of that on the exam, but you can kind of see some of the other stuff here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up here and we're going to go through this one. We're going to go through cross-site scripting, all right? Now, basically it's going to be very simple. You're going to go here and you're going to click and you're going to learn about it. And it makes it very simple. Now, there's some stuff that goes in a little deeper, but for those of you taking the exam, this shows you how the attack works and kind of what to look at when you're looking at the logs themselves, at the actual question to understand what you're looking at, right? So when you get to this site, just kind of click through it, kind of read as you're going. And cross-site scripting, one of the ways we prevent that is input validation, right? And this ends up being on the developer side to learn how to write more secure code. One of the great places for them to go is OWASP.org, Open Web Application Security Project. It shows you how to write more secure code to prevent these different type of attacks. So let's just kind of finish this out, go through here. And normally, when I used to look at the questions, if I seen the HTML tags, that was one hint. If I seen the word script, that was one hint. If I seen the line of code ending in .js, that was another hint. I know it can be used for good, but on a CompTIA Security Plus exam, it's used for bad. So those are kind of things you need to look for, all right? So kind of pay attention as you go through this. Take your time. I mean, it's a free resource, great resource to use. This is, right there you go. Your croissants are limp and sad, okay? And this is done a lot on message boards, forums, blogs, stuff like that. Isn't not really written with security in mind, all right? So next thing he does, he redirects it using cross-site scripting, all right? And sometimes they even use, instead of the HTML tags, they will use percent encoding, like %3C, %3E, look for stuff like that. Now, they give you a chance to actually learn. Now, I'm already into it, I'm already logged in, but you can log in with your Gmail account or credit account, it's free. And it shows you, hey, this is a common type of attack. It's easy to pull off and it's harmful. And you can see what it can be used for. Spreading worms on social media sites, identity theft, session hijacking, denial of service attacks, financial fraud, these kind of things. So it's a great website. Hopefully you use it. Hopefully this helps you understand what's going on, especially when it comes to the exam. And when you get down here, guess what? Some of these questions might be written in Python. They might be written in Ruby. So when you come down here, you can actually look at it and kind of go, oh, now I understand more of what I'm looking at. Hopefully this is helping you, and thank you for watching.